Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. In today's video, I will be cleaning the downstairs of my house. As it is the weekend, my home tends to be a bit more on the messy side, and this is usually when we do our weekly shopping, which you will see later in this video. So, I hope you enjoy, and let's jump into it. One of the places that I need to be clean first is in my kitchen. I can't tell you how badly it bothers me when my kitchen is cluttered and just having dirty dishes in the sink. It really gets under my skin. So I usually start cleaning in here first, and then I'll make my way upstairs and so on. Now I was actually on my way out, so I was in a huge rush when trying to get this done. So I'm actually moving pretty fast when I was recording this. Today was actually quite different when it came to cleaning. And I say this because I usually do my cleaning at night, and that's when I'll run my dishwasher. But because I took a day off from cleaning, I had to run the dishwasher during the day. Yeah, so I remember reading somewhere that it's actually more saving to do it late in the night. I don't know if that's true or not, but I did read it somewhere. You guys should Google it. But I guess because people use their dishwasher more during the day because everyone is awake and at night you're sleeping, but I'm a night owl, so I don't know. Google it, you guys. It's pretty interesting. After I cleaned the kitchen earlier, we went ahead and gone out and did some of our grocery shopping for the week. And during that time, me and my husband actually spent a couple of hours having a lunch and just walking about. He's a very busy guy, so when we have a little bit of time, we make sure to use it, to spend time with each other. That is very important in a marriage. And just any kind of romantic relationship, I would say. One of the things I wanted to mention is that when we go shopping, we actually shop at more than one store. We usually go to about 3 to 4 stores just to save money. And to know that is pretty dang crazy for most people, but since it is just me and my husband, we don't have kids, it's pretty easy to do for us. But sometimes it can be a lot, you guys. But we usually will go to Aldi for like our fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Then we will go to Earth Fare, which is 100% all organic food store, and that's where we'll get our meats. And then for our toiletries and cleaning products, we will go to the commissary, which is military and family personnel only. And then finally, to get some of the off-bits that we can't find at any of the stores that we went to before, we'll either go to Asian Market or Kroger. And yeah. So for the fridge, I like to put these baking soda thingies in there. If you guys have any tips on other ways to help get the food odor or anything out the fridge, leave them in the comments below because I'm kind of tired of those things. I actually did record me wiping down all of the counters, but my camera was super blurry, so I couldn't show you those clips. So this was all I could use, which was really sad. But yeah, this is getting real, you guys. I gotta put my hair up. It looks so crazy when I did that too. But this house we're pretty fairly new into it. We've only been here since the middle of last year is when we bought this house. And as you can see, a lot of my decor is constantly changing. I have changed some things. It's not in the budget, but it's something that's slowly progressing. So if things look different in here, that is why, because I'm constantly changing things up, and I'm going for the typical, I guess what everyone's going for is farmhouse look, except I'm going for more of the rustic farmhouse, so you'll see a lot more darker shades in my home. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that because in this clip there's some things that are different. Okay, so I actually just came across this scent and it was my husband's pick, by the way, so shout out to him. It smells so good. It makes my kitchen smell amazing, and sometimes when I come downstairs, it just smells like basil and just like fresh and so nice. I use Mrs. Meyer's constantly. I love their products. They smell so good and they just make the home smell really nice too. Now, this is a super messy area, and the reason for that, as you can see, I do all of my crafts and like home decor stuff on this table because we don't eat on it. It's just me and my husband, so we'll usually sit at the counter or we'll sit in front of the TV, which is sad because it's such a beautiful table. But yeah, I'm just picking up my stuff. My husband came and gave me some love. But yeah, it was quite messy because I was doing some DIY stuff, and yeah, I'm a messy girl sometimes. Oh, I also went to Home Goods and got these throw blankets. Finally, I got some throw blankets. I got some throw blankets because I actually ordered a blanket ladder off of Etsy and I'm waiting for that to come. But right now I'm just cleaning off my dining room table just because I do my crafts and stuff. So it was actually quite dirty. It had a lot of little particles and such, and I usually will just sweep all of it onto the floor since we do have these it's not real wood, you guys. I don't know what it is. It's fake. But I'll just sweep it, like hit it off onto the floor, and then I'll sweep it up after. It's just easier that way. And yeah, just my vacuum's there. I could have used that, I guess. Fun fact, my husband actually got me that vacuum specifically to vacuum downstairs. And I still use the broom. So we've actually had this rug since Germany. I don't know why, but we don't wear shoes in our house, but yet it has all of this dirt. Like, come on now. But yeah, I definitely want a lighter color rug to go in the kitchen. I just don't know what shade would look good in there. If you guys have any ideas, jot them down. Do you guys really think I took all that stuff upstairs? I actually just moved in here just to make it more convenient so I could get the dining room cleaned. But yeah, I'm just gonna take all of that crap upstairs now. If you're wondering what that thing is following me, that is Munchie. She is a 13-year-old dog. She's really old, so she's super needy and clingy, so she follows me everywhere. As you can see in this video, she's like always right next to me. She's my baby. So I am just going ahead and picking up my husband's clothes. He always drapes his clothes on the back of this couch, always, or just on anything in the living room, like the chairs and stuff. He'll always put his clothes over them. I don't know why, but he just does it. But yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up the space. I mean, it's not very messy, as you can see. Now, one of the like two, I would say, hugest like furniture items we still have to buy is a couch and a rug. We sold our couch when we moved from Germany, and we just haven't been able to get one since because they're costly and it's just not in the budget right now. But we're just using my husband's old couch. Alright you guys, so that is it for this Clean With Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun doing it, believe it or not. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!